A boy named Billy bought a horse from a farmer for $250. The farmer agreed to deliver the horse to Billy the following day. The next day, though, the farmer turned up at Billy's house and said, "Sorry, but I have some bad news. The horse died." Billy replied, "That's okay. Just give me my money back." The farmer said, "Sorry, I can't do that. I went and spent it already. Can I return the money in the next week?" Billy then said, "Never mind. I will buy it anyways. Just bring me the dead horse." The farmer was surprised and asked Billy, "Why? What you're gonna do with him?" Billy replied, "You will see." A week later, Billy came to the farmer to thank him for the trade. "You know what? Buying that dead horse was the best deal of my life. I just earned $2,495. And it's all thanks to you." The farmer was very curious, so he asked Billy, "Who would buy a dead horse for that much money?" Nobody did. Billy responded, "I made a lottery." The farmer laughed and said, "You can't raffle off a dead horse. Who'd buy a ticket?" Billy answered with a confident voice, "Sure I can. Why would I tell anybody that the horse is dead? I sold 500 tickets at a price of $5 each." The farmer then asked, "But didn't people complain about the dead horse? And what happened to the $5? People? Only the winner, so I gave